Hi guys, how are you? This is SB. And this video is to talk about the Triumph scalper, if it's good, if it works, if it's guaranteed, if it brings results, if it really works. I'll answer everything now, and most importantly, give you a serious warning of a big problem with this product. So stay until the end of this video here because it's really important even if you know it. Well, first, the warning. Attention is important. I left you here below the video the link to the official site, the original product, because there are people selling pirates on other sites. Even on the forums there are people selling, and it's pirated, so be careful. I left the link to the original site below the video, if you are going to buy. And at the end of the video I will show you a live demonstration of how the strategy works in practice. Triumph Scalper is an exclusive software for trading on the Forex market. Its main objective is to make your trading really profitable, saving your precious time and nerves. It is created for quick trading, so it works on M1, M5, M15 timeframes and all major currency pairs. All you need to do is simply follow the steady buy and sell signals that the Triumph Scalper gives you and then enjoy its splendid beneficial trades. Consider that life has given you a great chance to be with successful people. It's time to take this unique chance and take the long-awaited first step that will change your life. Well, yes, the product really is good. It really does everything it promises. You can trust. I looked at the site myself and saw a bunch of people saying they had results and I didn't believe it, but now I'm sure it works. I recommend it to everyone. It works because it has minimum time investment, high profit signs. It's perfect for beginners. It has 100% reliable signs without repainting. Supports all major coin pairs. On top of that you will have 3 types of alert notifications that tell you when to enter and exit your trade. 1. Pop-up alert with sound on MT4 platform. 2. Instant email alerts. 3. Push notification to your mobile phone. And that's what makes all the difference. That's why it's special. That's why I recommend it. Also, for this price you're going to get Triumph Scalper software, an extremely precise, highly accurate product that was honed to perfection by a huge development team. A detailed user guide, a super simple user guide, with easy illustrations that will help you get the most out of this product. Updates. Free available updates to take into consideration any changes in market conditions in coming years. Support 24/7 support to make your trading experience absolutely worry-free. He will provide you with all these things so you can have the greatest experience trading with Triumph Scalper. Also, I don't know if you've seen it, but if you haven't, click below to see it, because it's so good and works so well. They give you a 60-day guarantee or your money back. So there's no risk. You can buy it, use it, if you don't like it, return your money. And for them to return you don't need to call or anything, just send a single email and they return it right away, very easy and simple. That's their policy, that's why it's so amazing and it's so reliable. Another thing that is important for you to check out are these customer testimonials. And so, they are very serious, a registered company is alright. So in addition to working very well, there is no risk at all. Click on the link below. And so you can see how I really approve the product. I have something to tell you. I'll leave my personal WhatsApp number down here, you can call me to take any hug. Don't forget, original link here under the video.